How to make your Twitter or X account private. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make your X account, formerly known as Twitter account, private. For this, you want to open the X app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you get here, you want to scroll down and tap on the Privacy and Safety option. Now tap on Audience and Tagging. Now, if you want to make your account private, you want to toggle on both of these options. The first one, which says protect your post, will allow only the current followers and people you approve in the future to be able to see your post. With the second option of protect your videos, videos you post or send via DMs will not be downloadable by default. You also want to make sure that the photo tagging is off. Once you do all of these things, your account will be private, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.